Ang nag-surrender siya. The moment the warrant of arrest came out, nag-surrender siya sa iyahang superior dito sa intelligence group, no, sa Kamprami. So nasa dito karon. So it's just a matter of serving the warrant of arrest.
Okay.
Sa iya for his superior there to present Pilonia before the court, no, before the COE court, so that the court can have jurisdiction over this person. And then, para ma-start na ang judicial process.
Ba't parang ang tagal yata ma-serve ng warrant?
I understand they filed a motion for retention of the detention of Colonel Pilonia in IG dito sa Kamprami. I do not know if it was already approved or not. But it's up for the court kung
Yes,
i-approve nito.
exactly. It's up for the court. So while the court is still deciding on that, dapat na-serve na yung warrant.
Ang Davao City Police Office is planning to serve the warrant dito sa
Kumusta na?
Usually, ang ginahimo, siguro ang ihimo nila sana is they will just forward the warrant of arrest dito sa nag-custodian niya so that the custodian can turn it over here sa...
Wala bang ano kung kailan matuturn over dito?
Wala ko'y update kung nahimo na nila ang kung ipadala na ba nila dito ang warrant.
Ready na ang detention cell niya?
Ang detention cell naman ang sa BGMT.
Oo.
So, bahala ng BGMT kung asa siya.